so welcome back to my channel, and it's your girl Julie, and today I'm back with another video. So for today's video, as y'all can tell from the title, I'm gonna be doing a whole room transformation. So don't mind my room right now, it's like so messy. Like I have so many clothes and shoes everywhere, like, and I wanted to like do my bed frame today at least, so I'm just gonna vlog that part, and then the other day I'll do like the drawers and all that stuff. Yeah, I'm showing you guys like the realest like transformation, because right now my room is messy. So like I'm really showing you guys like I literally before and after. Like sometimes people don't actually show you like the actual before, you know. Like right now I'm showing you like I didn't touch my room at all. Like it's literally like Christmas Day. I have all the presents and like clothes in my room. So yeah, so let's get on with this bed video. Alright guys, so I took out the bed and now it's just a tapestry, the vines, and so we're gonna get ready to put this together in my room. Underneath the TV. Alright, so I have the dresser now here, and then now I gotta like, this is all the stuff that I need to clean up right here obviously, but I got the dresser. I didn't end up putting my bed right here, so I moved it back to the original spot, which is right here. So I'm still in the process of cleaning up and like putting everything back into place. And look who's here with me, baby Riri. Hi Riri. Here's what my bed is looking like right now. So I just put the covers and the pillows there just for now, but I'm definitely gonna get like a new bed comforter and like, you know, pillows and stuff. I also want to take down this tapestry and put like a brick wallpaper over it. So I got the brick wallpaper right here. What? I didn't know it was this short. Right.
Do you have to connect it?
I think you think you have to connect it or something. But it feels pretty good though. Like it feels like thick wallpaper, not that thin. This is what it looks like.
Then you have to peel it.
Peel it off, right?
No,
So should I start from here? All the way up? Okay, so it's about like so it's this long right here, is all the way to 52 inch. So I'm just gonna cut it right here just to make sure, you know, it fits. So now we're gonna put up this thing right here. Oh, that's cute. We're gonna open the rugs right now. So I got this from my brother for Christmas. He got me this light gray rug to match with my theme going on. So you see how it's deflating? Dang, this shit getting big. Okay. See. Oh, this is so cute. Hopefully it's big enough. Okay. It's like this light gray color and it's super cute. Alright guys, so my new nightstand just came in the mail and they already have it made for me, which I'm like really like happy about, because like I thought, you know, I would have to make it my own or Alright guys, so I just put my nightstand right here, right beside my bed. So now I'm gonna set up the lamp that I got, put it right here. It's gonna be like so cute, so let me just do that right now. Hopefully it's not too much to set up, but the top right here, something. There we go, this like. Ooh, look how pretty. Guys, so I put the lamp right here, and what do you guys think? Isn't it so freaking cute? Like, y'all know the space right here is a little bit tight, but I made it work, you know. Like, I really wanted a nightstand beside my bed, and now I have one, and it fits perfectly because like my door is right here, so when I open it, it doesn't like block the way, so that's perfect. Oh, that's so cute. And look, I can tap anywhere. That's so freaking cool. Okay, so now I'm gonna set up the shoe boxes that I got for Christmas, and I already got some right here, and I already have like all my shoes up. Now I'm gonna put the rest right here. So these also came in the mail. They're like a little organizer. So it comes with all of these. This big pampas grass with some like marbles. So, and here what I got is this it's like this vase stand, so like I'm gonna put it up. All right, and I also got me a vase too from Amazon. It came in the other days, so I already got some out right here, and now I'm just gonna like get the remaining ones out. It comes with like 8 pieces for like $20 something. Now I'm just gonna give you guys like a little room tour. Alright guys, so as soon as you walk into my room, right beside my door and my bed, I have my nightstand right here, and I have this really gorgeous lamp, and it just matches with my nightstand like so well, since it's like that glass like mirrored look to it. Like I could literally just see myself right here, like it's like a whole mirror right here. But what I have under the lamp is my little portrait that I got from my boyfriend, and that's me and him. He gave me this portrait like I think when we first started dating, like I think like a couple months. So this picture is like pretty old, and I also got this like little fake plant next to it. I think it's really cute, so I just, you know, left it there. And I just have like this random like mirror little thing right here. It has all my pictures and Polaroid pictures in here, and my glasses, and also my phone. And as you can see from my nightstand, I have 3 drawers right here, and of course inside, you know, it's a little bit messy, so I'm not going to show you guys as much. I have like my remote for my TV, and then I also have like my other remotes for like my LED lights, right, for that one and for this one on the wall. But that's all I'm gonna show you guys. And I just have like some like other stuff, you know, that's like don't really need to see, but that's what I have right here on this side. And then as you can see on my wall right here, behind my bed frame, you can see this brick wallpaper that I put up. So I just put the wallpaper on this side. I feel like it didn't need to go anywhere else because I feel like this is just fine. And then right here I have these line art portraits right here. but I like this one the most, and this one. So I just left my like leaves on my wall since I didn't want to take it down, because like I feel like it looks cute right there. So I just left that there, and with my LED lights, so they've been there since last time. So originally I was planning to put this mirror right here on top of my bed, but then I'm like I feel like it was gonna like fall down on my head, so I didn't go with the plan. So I just put it right there. Like y'all, this mirror is not light, like it's heavy. Like you have to nail this mirror in the wall so it doesn't like come off. And then for my bed, as you can see, I got this new white bed frame. So got this like long body pillow, and then like silk pillows right here, and the theme for my bed is just like light gray and just regular gray and white, just because I wanted to match like my wallpaper. And I got this bed comforter from Amazon, and also these. Everything I got from here is mostly from Amazon, so I'm gonna link everything down in the description box below. And before I move on, I also got this like sunset lamp right here from Shein's. Okay, so here's the full look before I move on. So next to my bed, I have my closet right here, and then I have some of my purses hanged up right here. They're just like my go-to purses, you know. I just have it right here, so it can be like really easy for me to like get them, you know, when I'm in a rush. So here's my closet. I'm not gonna really show you guys because it is a little bit messy, but just here's a little look to them. But yeah, that's my closet, you know, that's for another time. Next to my closet, I have this like body mannequin that I just have sitting right there for now. I'm gonna like start selling my clothes on like Depop. And then I just have like my bucket hats and like my ear muffins right here. And this also fell, oops. It's just there for now. And then I also have like this random plant right there. Yeah, I don't know what to put right there, so I just put that right there. I might leave it there or like move it somewhere else, but I'm just gonna keep it there for now. And then right here I have my little trash can. But next to that I have my shoe boxes right here where I have some of my shoes up, like my go-to shoes that can fit along with most of my clothes. So I just have like my black boots right here. And then on top of this I have my YouTube plaque right here. This is when I hit 100k subscribers, and I'm so freaking grateful for all of you guys that's been supporting me and watching me, so I wouldn't be here without you guys. Right here I have like my jewelry and like makeup area, and then right here I have my little candles. It's like really cute coffee cup candle. It's super cute. It smells like strawberry. And I also have my other candle right here. It smells like pink apple and coconut, which smells like really good. So I just have like my little candles right here, you know, if I want to light them up. And I also have this little fake plant right here. I think it's really cute decor. And then also have these little hair clippers that I just have them right there for now. But right here I have like my go-to like makeup products that I wear every time when I do my makeup. So I have like my foundation, my makeup brushes, my lipstick, and my eyelash glue. And then right here I have like this neon sign that says "Hello Gorgeous." And then right on top of that I have this like little mirror thing going on right here. So like whenever I go up here I can read the sign and I see myself in the mirrors. And I also have this right here so I can put on my jewelry and like fix up my makeup right here. And I just have like this mirror right here already. And y'all don't mind this like black cord right here, because like up there is like my TV, and I don't know, like I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna like move this or like try to make it more like, you know, like smooth with it. But I just have that right there for now. But for now, let's pretend like it's not there, okay guys? And then on this side I have some of my jewelry that I wear, you know, on a daily, or like my go-to jewelry that I wear. So I just have like my earrings, my bracelet, and my necklace right there, and then also my rings right there. And then beside it I just have like some of my perfume and lotion that I like to wear. And then for these little drawers I just have like some of my makeup stuff in there, like this here, my eyeshadow palette. And then for these drawers I just have like my clothes in there, like my bra and underwear. Basically just like my everyday clothes, like, you know, like basic stuff. So you guys don't really need to see that. And then beside that I have some of my other shoes right here. And then on top of that I have my boots right here, just my white boots. So on this side I just have like my Converses for the gym, and then just like some random stuff right here. And then on top of that I have this little like, it's like this hanging plant stand, I don't know. So I just have that right there. And I have this candle right there, and then that little plant right there. So it just looked like that, you know, something really simple. And then beside that I have this just like little thing going on right here. So I just have like Polaroid portraits right here. So that's me, and right there that's me and Bestie. But I'm definitely gonna be hanging up more portraits throughout. Yeah, and then I also have like just like random little butterflies just going on right here. I don't know, it's just something cute and simple. Alright, and I also forgot to show you guys I have this like really cute heart shaped carpet right here, and I think it's super cute. So it just looks like that. And then below I have this like little hooks where I could just like hook like important things, you know, before I leave. I just grab it and go. But like I have my wallet and then my keys to my car, and then on top of that I have this little portrait that I got from Christmas for my sister. So she just got me this little artwork thing, like it just says choose your weapon, and I just have that right there, and I think it's really cute. I think it adds like a really cute touch to my room, you know, just like clear vase along with it and with the little marbles right there. And then right below there I just have like my like bag right there just to like have it there. I don't know, I feel like it just matches right here, I don't know. So it just looks like that. And then right beside that I have my portrait that my boyfriend made me. If you guys remember seeing this in my birthday vlog, he gave me this and he made this whole portrait of me, which is super cute. And right below I just have like this butterfly piggy bank. I don't know, it's just something cute just to put up there. And then I have just like random, you know, plants right there. But yeah, I don't mind it. I just have like some random stuff right here. And then have my Vegeta and my Roshi action figures. And then right there I have Gizmo. So just random stuff. Alright guys, and right below that I just have like all my body care stuff, you know, and nothing too important. So I put them in this like little clear bin. I think it's super cute, you know, it just makes it more organized. Second shelf I have like all my skincare stuff, and then I have this like little plant right there. Third shelf I have like all these little bottles right there, nothing too important. And then my contacts right there. And then on this shelf right here I have like, all of my eyelashes, and then makeup remover, and like this little plant right there. Like I said, just random stuff right there. And then right here lastly I just have like all my like hair tools and stuff, my hair dryer, my hair curler, and all that stuff. This is basically like a bookshelf, but you can use this, you know, however you like. Here's the full look on this side. And then right beside that I have my full body mirror right here. It has this like really cute designs right here. And then right here I just have like my portrait of me and my boyfriend, you know, nothing too much. I just wanted to keep it like simple and like just minimal right there. Alright guys, so that's it for my room tour. So here's like the final look before I end the video. But anyways guys, so that's it for the video. I'm gonna end it right here. It's like getting late and I'm tired, so I'm ready to go to bed. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little room tour. I know this video was like all over the place, and I also want to apologize for like for making you guys wait for this video. I don't know why I didn't post it sooner, but I finally have everything in place. It was about time that I finally uploaded this room tour, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. I wish I could have done this video more better, like the filming part, but I was just like so focused on like redecorating my room and stuff, so I apologize for that guys. I'm just gonna end this video right here, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys do, give this video a thumbs up, and you already know, leave down a comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet already, and also click that bell notification so you don't miss any time when I upload. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you all so much. Peace out.